We regard this as one of the premier conferences of its type for the European mutual funds industry. And so we've got a number of different people from City here representing different sleeves of activity that are all related to the mutual funds industry. So we've got people from custody, fund administration, transition management, agency and trust, all the different banking services that the group provides to this community.
What's going on at City? What's the big news story? Is there some new projects you're working on?
There's a lot of new projects going on. We've got certain areas that we're particularly interested in from the funds business side. We're very interested in helping people manufacture 130-30 product, which is a relatively new concept. A lot of long-only managers that previously only invested in stock, they never went short. They're trying to wrestle with how do they tackle the issue of going short with 30% of the portfolio leveraging up 30% of the other part. We're providing the basic tools for that.
One last question. What would you say sets City apart from some of your competitors?
I think that the difference that City has with our competitors, and basically we compete with everybody from every type of financial service, the difference is that we touch the investment industry in every single compartment of its life. So starting with manufacturing the product to just simple things like reporting on the funds, accounting, custody, and all the way through the various different building blocks that go into making up investment product. We're involved every which way. So I think that's the one difference, is that you can't really box City to any particular corner of the competitive market and banking services. We're right across the board.
What are you doing here at Fund Forum? What's your goal by being here?
Well, I think Fund Forum is definitely the place where you have to be when it comes to services you provide to asset managers and institutional investors worldwide. That is really the place where everybody within the industry is gathering for a week in Monaco. So being part of that is very important. It gives you a good overview of what's happening in our industry, whether it's the competitors, whether it's the customers, whether it's the prospects, and also the service providers.
What sets you apart from some of your competitors?
I think there are a couple of things that are very important. The first one is the fact that SocGen as a bank has always been very much into alternative investments, and on the security servicing side, I think we have very strong capabilities when it comes to alternative investments in general. When you look at some of the services we've developed recently, we have, for example, a product that allows us to price independently OTC products on behalf of our customers. And we've also middle office capability for OTC instruments. So on the asset servicing side for alternative investment, I think we are ahead of the pack, and overall in alternative investments, I think we have a very strong offer. We can also package the fund administration and trustee offer with prime brokerage services, because we are also owning FEMAT, which is a prime broker which is very active in Europe. So packaging is very important also with our people within the investment bank, because out there they're also very active in terms of financing hedge funds, and overall the package that SocGen can offer is unequaled within the industry.
Tell me what BNP is doing here at the forum.
Well, this is a very important event for us. The fastest growing part of our business is with asset managers and institutions globally. And in the European marketplace, Fund Forum brings together most of the major players in the European theatre in one place. So it's a great opportunity for us to talk to our clients about what we're doing, the innovations in our product range, the growth of our global footprint. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to communicate with our clients and send that message into the marketplace at large.
One of the attributes that we believe differentiates BNP Paribas is the local presence that we establish across our business. We very much believe in putting our infrastructure and our resources close to our clients, where our clients invest. And so the world is a dynamic place, so equally important for us is the way that we respond to that. The strategy around geographical investments currently in play, whether that's enforcing the very strong footprint that we already have in Europe, but now more importantly looking at Asia, ensuring that we have the resources services to support clients there, and also in the Americas.
Of course, our title is called Global Custodian, so could you give me an update on what's going on with the global custody services that you offer?
So there is a lot of change, and I'm sure all the asset managers know that regulation is putting more and more pressure on the asset management world, and we have put in place a new reporting which we call Total Vision. So the asset manager has a full vision of, in terms of reporting of what he's doing to meet with all this new regulation.
I think what's important is that the term global custodian, global custody, has now been very much enlarged to encompass a wide variety of services, which I think is broader than just simply custody. It's really fund services and asset gathering